In this video, we will compare Beehiiv and SendFox. If you guys want to get started with either Beehiiv or SendFox, you can use the links given down in the description. Beehiiv and SendFox are email marketing platforms with unique strengths. Beehiiv focuses on newsletter growth and monetization, while SendFox offers a cost-effective simple solution for email marketing. Beehiiv provides an intuitive drag-and-drop editor for creating newsletters. It includes growth tools such as embeddable forms, referral programs, and landing pages to expand your audience. The platform offers detailed analytics on open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth, helping users optimize their content. Beehiiv also has built-in monetization options for integrating ads and subscriptions. Additionally, it supports integrations with various third-party tools. If we talk about Beehiiv plans and their prices, first we have the launch plan, which is free. The scale plan at $39 and the max plan at $99 per month. There is also custom pricing available. SendFox is known for its affordable pricing, including a one-time payment option that reduces ongoing costs. It is easy to use, offering essential email marketing features without complexity. The platform includes basic automation tools for scheduled emails and drip campaigns, helping streamline marketing efforts. Users can manage and segment their subscriber list for targeted communication. SendFox also supports integrations with other marketing tools to enhance its functionality. If we talk about SendFox plans and prices, there is a free plan, a lifetime plan at $49, and an Empire plan add-on for $18. Beehiiv is ideal for those focusing on newsletter growth and monetization, while SendFox suits users seeking a budget-friendly, straightforward email marketing solution. Choosing between them depends on your specific requirements and budget. So that is a comparison between Beehiiv and SendFox. Make sure to use the links given down in the description to get started with either Beehiiv or SendFox. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.